Hello all, welcome to the channel. Today we can check how to create a view using CTE. So we have one table, custom, okay, and first we can check create a simple view using CTE. Okay, so the customer table contains customer ID, name, country, and sale amount. We want to display all customer details. Okay, so first we want to create a view with CTE. Okay, so here we can use with CTE as select. First we can give star, select the star from customer. We can close that place. Here we can select the city, select star from city. Okay, so we can just execute it. Now we are getting the city output. Okay, now we want to create view by using this city. Okay, so in this case we can use create view name, can give view customer. Yes, then we can execute this query. Now we just created the view by using CTE. We can just select that view, select star from CTE and this view VW underscore custom. Now we are getting a output using view. Okay, so this is our table customer. So we have another table, temporary customer, temp customer. Okay, this also contains customer ID, name, country, and sale amount. Now we want to get an output of both the customer and temp customer also. Okay, we want to get an output union of both the tables. Okay, so by using CTE we can copy this CTE. So with CTE we can give one thing for here. Okay, with the CTE we can select the star from customer and we want to union. We want to display all customers. Union all. Select star from temp customer. Okay, we can just execute this query. Now we are getting customer and temp customer also. Okay, we want to get one more column. This is a permanent customer up to 6. It is a permanent customer and these data are from the temp customer. Okay, so here we can give one more column, permanent, it is customer type, right? And here also we can give temp customer. It is temp. It is custom from TempCustomer. Now we can just execute this query. Now also we are getting the output. We want to create this also for a view. Okay, so we can give a create view vw. We can give an all customer. Okay, so create view name as inside that we are using this CTE. Okay, just execute this query. Now we created the view. You can just select this query, select start from CTE view name. Okay, select start from view or customer. Now we are getting the output. Okay, now we can check with multiplicity also. This we can check with another way. We can just copy this. Okay, here we are given with the CTE 1. We can remove this numeral, comma. We can open another CTE 2 as open the brace. The second CTE we are using is temporary TempCustomer. Okay, so in this CTE 1 we are using the customer details, and CTE 2 we are using the TempCustomer. Okay, now we want to display both the customers. So here we can use CTE 1 union, right? Union dot CTE. Okay, this is a simple CTE. You can use multiple scenarios. Okay. We can just execute this query. Now also we are getting the same output. Okay. Now you can create the view, create view name, customer details. Okay, as here we are using multiple CTEs. Okay, we can just execute this query. Now we created the view. You can just check, select start from view name. Just execute. Now we are getting output. We are getting the same output. Okay. Okay, thank you guys. Please subscribe.